What's going on, dudes? I wanted to make a video about common work orders that I do every day. This is why I'm not able to record every day, because this is what you would see every day, these piddly little work orders. Every day is not a glorious HVAC day or major leak day. It's usually these things all day, every day, most of the time. See, the garbage disposal ain't working. What is all that stuff in there? Yee. Yeah, new guys, all garbage disposals have a reset button on the bottom. Just push the reset button in and it'll get back going for you. I don't know, this kid might be rusted up. D40, it's good stuff. Let that soak in for a minute. Broke free. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Smoothie as a baby's booty. Said their door handle's sticking. That thing is tough. Dang, skid. Bust some old WD on there. Everything looks good, none looks broken. Oh yeah, that feels better. Smooth as a baby's bottom. I actually got trapped in the room. Because the doorknob wouldn't turn. I was like, man, where's the camera when you need it? That's when I went and grabbed the camera. It's good to go now. Alright, now I'm going to check out the leak they're talking about. Said it was under the bathroom sink. Nothing yet. I'm not seeing anything dripping, but I do see some water in here. My finger's wet. That's an easy fix. You need to tighten it up. Oh yeah, it was loose. I'm liking these easy fixes today. Yeah, I checked all behind here. It's good. It's dry. Up here is good. Just had to tighten it up. I'm going to run the water again and make sure we're dry. the old fill-up test. Alright, everything looks good. So yeah guys, that's a typical day for me right there. That's mostly everyday work order stuff. That's what I get into around here. You know, most things just need a spray of WD-40 and the old nut tighten, and on to the next one. Alright, thank you guys for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show. That's just the way it's got to be. Well, the concrete